John Locke was a British philosopher known for his writings on empiricism, the notion of tabula rasa, or blank slate of the mind, uh, is probably known to you. Um, that is, empiricism is how we know the world through our experience, not so much through our rationalism or our idealism or our transcendence or materialism. So he's known for empiricism. He's also known for his writings on democracy. Okay, so he's had a tremendous influence on American culture in terms of both those discourses of empiricism and democracy. So empiricism has his notion of empiricism, philosophical notions, has really influenced the American notions of behavioralism or behavioral science, and of course his the second treatise on government, which we're going to read or parts of it, is really the operating system for the American Declaration of Independence and Constitution. Especially in the Declaration of Independence, there's almost word for word citation from what Locke wrote. And like I said before, we'll return to Locke and his ideas on democracy when we get to the democracy unit. Here we want to use the second treatise as an economic tool or text and concentrate on chapter 5, property. Locke, in line with his chapter 1 in second treatise on government, is trying to make an argument about at a primordial and speculative level. That is, what kind of economic beings were we before civilization happened? Or better, what were the economic conditions and behaviors that led to our future civilization? Before there is experience and history and tradition, what is our human nature? And specifically, what is our economic human nature? What do we naturally do as human beings as an expression of our economic existence? So this is in many ways an unanswerable question. It's an impossible question. We don't have the ability to assess our humanity before civilizations, before civilization existed. We have incomplete notions of how we know ourselves, within our own experience. It could be great. It would be great if we could look at our thoughts and deeds and deduce what our nature is, but our essence is our nature, our essence. But we just don't have that ability. We're not gods. So this question of human nature is really impossible.